Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Cal Royal number HB9615. This is a handrail bracket is what it is. I have one removed from the packaging. This is just an inexpensive handrail bracket that you're going to find in typical residential construction, where you're going to have a flat-bottomed wood. A flat-bottom handrail. I don't know that it has to be wood, but it will be flat-bottom because that's the profile of the bracket that is included. This is in the 15 finish. That's what they call nickel or satin nickel. This is probably just a piece of zinc, die-cast zinc would be my guess, and some sort of a, nickel-ish type finish that's been done. Is it complementary? Sure, I would say it'd be complementary. If you're looking for a true architectural finish, you would want something made of brass with a satin nickel plating and lacquer over it. Cal Royal does not make those. Projection, about 2 13/16. Overall height, we're going to measure that. Looks like it's about 2 3/4. Overall width of the mounting point on the back, about 1 1/4 inches. That height is about 2 1/8. Okay. Again, we'll include that bracket. You're going to simply place that underneath, and you'll screw your handrail bracket, your handrail, right to this flat portion here. You'll have 3 mounting points on the back. Screws are included. 3 long ones and 2 short ones. Obviously, the 2 shorter ones are to go to the handrail itself. And you'll be in pretty good shape with this. An idea of what a clearance would be, let's put that tape measure on there again. I just want to give you an idea, to where the bracket's really going to come into play. Looks like it's at about 1 3/4 inches. So and then to the center line, you can see it appears to be about 2 1/4 inches. So 2 1/4 from here to the wall, whatever your diameter is going to be, you can kind of get an idea of what your clearance would be, is what I'm driving at. Okay. Again, typical residential construction. Back in the old days, you've got in northwest side of in Chicago where he's building literally 12 houses, and you're going to do them like you're going to have 3 foundations going at once, and by the time you're going to have 3 framing you'll have framing contractors working on 3 houses all at once. Then drywall is going to come in, and the hardware package is going to come. So, a general contractor like that will walk in and say, "I need 80," now, that kind of routine. Let's switch to the screen view and take a closer look at the supporting documentation. Okay, we do have some images here that we can look at first, but this is the item we're looking at. Let's take a look at our images. That's the packaging, removed from the packaging, obviously. A side view. The back side, obviously. Your mounting bracket for the handrail, your screw package. Now, let's take our part number, HB9615, and let's click on the link here to the manufacturer's page. From here, you'll be able to review not only all of the Cal Royal products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the 2020 product catalog, or the current product catalog. Let's do a find function on our keyboard for HB96. Actually, I can see that we're still loading the document, so let's load that. Okay, now that we have that catalog loaded, let's take that part number again. Do a find function on your keyboard for HB9615. Obviously, it doesn't come up, but an HB96 will. Die-cast handrail bracket, different finishes. And here it is. It does indeed come up in a neat little section of other builders' hardware. About 80% of the way through the catalog. On this page, 5 options of handrail brackets, as you can see. Handy way to be able to see the other items that they have in terms of projection. So we're dealing with a 2 7/8 projection. They have a 3 1/4. They have one that's called 80A, and that's 4-inch, much wider. Handy way to be able to look at the balance of that material. This is heavy duty. It's die cast aluminum. And I had said earlier that they do not make one of brass, and they don't. This is all die cast material. Other builders' hardware items are listed in this same section of the catalog, so you'll be able to scroll up and down and see other related products. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, Cal Royal is a name synonymous with Asian imported manufactured builders hardware for commercial and residential applications. A hallmark of Cal Royal is that they generally have very deep inventory, that they because they're bringing in container loads of material. So that is an advantage, I would say, when you're looking for 80 of these. They probably have 8,000 of them. They have a reasonably responsive customer service department, a reasonably responsive shipping, turnaround time, things of that nature. I can tell you that they have a very comprehensive catalog. 25 years ago it was that thick, and now it's one heck of a binder. That they are certainly always evolving and developing their product line. So I can't think of a reason not to consider their catalog. It's, you know, material that's on par with many other import hardware companies' material. Any questions on the HB96 and a 15 finish? I did not tell you the other finishes. I would like to go back through that since I have it up here. Finishes. Here we go. US3 for polished brass, US5 for antique brass, US15 satin nickel, 15A for antique nickel, US26 polished chrome, 26D satin chrome, 10B oil rub bronze, then US1, which I think they mean just black, US1D, US19, they're probably meaning black. The year's 2020 now, and black has been a popular finish for a couple of years to be sure. Okay. Any questions on this or any other Cal Royal product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.